Here is the PAM, PPM, PWM Modulation and Demodulation kit. In this video, I will explain the connections and the output on CRO. CRO is the optional accessory. Firstly, I will patch up the pulse amplitude modulation. Here, we connect the pulse output to pulse input, and the same goes to the channel 1. AF signal connect to AF signal input, ground is connected, and here we have the 3 output of the pulse amplitude modulation. One is the sample output, the second is the sample and hold, and third one is the flat top. You can see on the CRO, this is the pulse of 8 kHz, and here is the pulse amplitude modulation simple sampling output. When we change the amplitude, the output of sampling is also changed. You can see the AF signal with respect to this by connecting channel here. Here is the sample output, sample and hold, and flat top sampling. All are the connections given in the manual to CRO. For the demodulation, connect PAM to PAM input of the demodulation section, ground to ground, and where we have after low pass filter, the output amplitude is low, so we have used AC amplifier. Connect over here, and using batch code, output is connect to the AC amplifier input. You can adjust it as per the input signal. Now very automatically demodulation is done using PAM. In the same way, here is the pulse width modulation. Put the pulse input here, AF signal here, and you get the PWM output over here. Here is the signal, and here we get the pulse width modulation. Now change the amplitude. You can see or observe the width is changing due to increase of the AF signal amplitude. When we use 16 kHz, adjust the CRO, and the same way you can get the demodulation At this time, here we have PWM input for the demodulator and ground is connected here. Set the and you will get the data. Here is the same, will be there. Change and get the demodulation is done. And for PPM, as we know, it PWM input is goes to here, ground is connected from PWM to PPM section, and we get the PPM here. Here all bits is same, but the position is changed. You can choose 8 kilohertz, and you can choose the audio frequency to 2 kilohertz also. Adjust the trigger level for the stable. Here we go. And you can choose in the same way you will get the demodulation. For that, connect the PPM with the here. Here we get the so we can perform PAM, PPM, PWM modulation and demodulation with this kit, and all the details, connection details and the output waveform is described in the manual. Thank you.